Spend 8 minutes to crochet a jasmine flower. It looks complex, but it is actually just one petal repeated. Can be used for pendants, hair ties, hair clips, and other decorations. Insert crochet hook through the ring. Pull the yarn through. Crochet 1 chain stitch as a turning chain. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet. Pull the starting yarn tail, shrink the loop to the minimum. Work a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch as a turning chain. Round 2, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch, 6 single crochets in total. Round to finished. Slip stitch with the first stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Rounds 3 to 6, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. Each round has 6 stitches. Each round requires a slip stitch and 1 chain stitch as a turning chain. Complete rounds 3 to 6. Round 6 finished, with the front loop of the first stitch, which is the half braid closer to you. Work a slip stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch as a turning chain. Round 7, work into the front loops. Crochet single crochet increases, which means crochet to single crochets in each stitch. A total of 6 single crochet increases. Work 1 single crochet increase in the first front loop. Work 1 single crochet increase in the second front loop. Work 1 single crochet increase in the third front loop. 3 increases have been completed here. Complete the remaining 3 increases. After round 7 is finished, work a slip stitch with the first stitch's front loop. To crochet the petal part, crochet 3 chain stitches. In the next front loop, crochet 5 unfinished double crochets. First unfinished double crochet. Second unfinished double crochet. Third unfinished double crochet. Fourth unfinished double crochet. Fifth unfinished double crochet. Now there are 6 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 at a time, 5 times. In total. Crochet 3 chain stitches. There are 5 raised back bumps here. Crochet 1 unfinished double crochet in each back bump. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Now there are 6 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 at a time, 5 times. In total. Skip the first back bump, starting from the second back bump, slip stitch. Sequentially, 4 slip stitches in total. Turn to the side, pick up half a strand, and work a slip stitch. Work a slip stitch in the middle. Pick up half a strand on the lower side, and work a slip stitch. Return to the stitch below and work a slip stitch. This is the first petal. Demonstrating one more time. Insert hook into the next front loop. Work a slip stitch, crochet 3 chain stitches. In the next front loop, crochet 5 unfinished double crochets. Pull through 2 at a time, 5 times. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Pick up the back bumps and crochet 5 unfinished double crochets. Now there are 6 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 at a time, 5 times. Starting from the second back bump, slip, stitch 4 slip stitches. Slip stitch on the side. Slip stitch in the middle. Pick up the inner half strand below and slip stitch. Return to the stitch below and work a slip stitch. Second petal finished. The remaining petals are crocheted. The same way, 2 stitches make 1 petal. This round is finished, 6 petals in total. Complete the remaining 4 petals. First set, layer of petals finished. Second layer of petals, pick up the remaining half strands from round 7, which is crocheting in the back loops. The crocheting method is the same as the previous petals. Insert hook into the first back loop. Work a slip stitch, crochet 3 chain stitches. In the next back loop, crochet 5 unfinished double crochets. The rest complete by yourself. If unclear, you can go back and watch the previous part. After the 2 layers of petals are finished, in the stitches of round 6, crochet 3 petals according to the previous petal method. After the last petal is finished, work a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. Pull out the yarn tail, use a sewing needle to thread the tail to the bottom first. Thread it out from the inside. Tidy it up. Jasmine flower finished.